3D mirror. Normally we done some 2D mirror in previous lecture. Same command you can use here also, or you can use 3D mirror. But if you use 2D mirror, same command if you use here, it will works only in XY plane. I just show you. Type MI in your keyboard, enter, and select the object, enter, and click the first point and the next point, enter. Now it is mirror like this, but it will works in XY plane. If you need to make mirror in other plane, you have to change the XY plane using coordinates, then you can mirror the other direction. But we have here 3D mirror, very easiest tool. Just go here, see here it is 3D mirror. Select this tool and select the object, enter. Here we have few options. In this, mostly using option 3 points. Select these 3 points, click the first point and the second point and the third point. Depends on these 3 points, it will mirror. And it is asking you delete source object. No, I just give no, so simply enter. Now you can see it is mirror like this. Depends on our selection, the 3 points, it is mirror like this. We have a few more options also. I just go to the 3D mirror and select the object, enter, and this option will see ZX plane. You see here, this is ZX plane. Okay, if you select this ZX plane, depends on the plane, that plane will take us the mirror line. Means this ZX plane is mirror line. If I select this point, it will mirror to this side. I just go to select this ZX plane and I give the point. I just select this corner and simply enter. Now you can see it is mirror to this side. Means this ZX, that is the plane for mirror. Now I just go to the 3D mirror again and select the object, enter. Now I am going to select XY plane. If I select, I just give here, this is the XY plane, I will give the point here. If I given the point, this object will mirror to downside. Means our plane is, it is in flat, means it is in top position. Just see here X and Y plane, it is like this. So this plane will consider as mirror line. Now I just select here XY plane and I click this corner, enter. Now you can see it is mirror to downside like this. Again go to 3D mirror and select the object, enter. Now I am going to select YZ plane. Means YZ plane means this YZ plane. I select this YZ plane and I will click this point. This object will mirror to this side. Means the plane is vertical. I just go to select this YZ plane and I click this point, enter. Now you can see it is mirror to this side because this ZY plane, it is in vertical, it will mirror to this side. This plane will consider as mirror line. Similar way, if you have any sketches, I just make a sketch here, and this sketch also you can use as mirror line. I just go to the 3D mirror and select the object, enter, and here we have option for object. I select this object and I select this object and enter. Now you can see this one will take us mirror line and it is mirror to this side. Now we have another one more option. I just go to 3D mirror and select the object, enter. Here we have one option, it is last. If I select this last, enter, last what we mirror, that mirror we will get it. This is the way to create 3D mirror in AutoCAD 3D.